Huayou Indonesia believes protecting the environment means protecting life. That's why we grow with nature through factory greening and mangrove planting. In 2023, we expanded green areas to over 31,700 square meters with nurseries and seedling cultivation across our factories,
including 10 million seedlings and wildlife operations in Halmahera.
We replant trees on our slopes to prevent landslides, help reduce carbon emissions, and create habitats for biodiversity.
Beyond the factory, we planted over 2,000 mangroves in Southeast Sulawesi, helping protect coastlines and absorb up to 600 tons of carbon over 25 years. Through these initiatives, Huayou Indonesia is committed to a greener workplace, healthier ecosystems, and a sustainable future for mankind.